In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook Calendar with Teams. If you use Outlook for email and Microsoft Teams for collaboration, keeping your calendar in sync makes scheduling effortless. When the two are connected, you see the same meetings in both places, so there's no double entry and no risk of missing an invite because it was created somewhere else. Let's begin by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook. In the results, look for the official Microsoft Outlook site. It should clearly indicate that it's the Outlook web experience from Microsoft. Click that result to open Outlook in your browser. You might land in your inbox or directly in the calendar view. Either is fine. The key is that you're using the same Microsoft work or school account you use in Teams, because the sync relies on that shared account behind the scenes. With Outlook open, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a Microsoft Teams icon there. Go ahead and click the Teams icon. This click connects Outlook on the web to Teams using your signed-in account. Often, Teams will open in a new browser tab or window. If your browser asks for permission to open the page, allow it. If you also have the desktop app installed, you may be prompted to open it. Either web or desktop works because the connection is account-based. By clicking the Teams icon from Outlook, your Outlook calendar automatically syncs with Microsoft Teams. That's because Outlook and Teams share the same calendar service within Microsoft 365. The calendar you see inside Teams is the very same Outlook calendar. Meetings you schedule in Outlook appear in Teams, and meetings scheduled in Teams show up in Outlook, including times, attendees, and meeting links. There's nothing to export, import, or manually refresh, just a consistent calendar everywhere you work. A few helpful tips. If you don't immediately see the Teams icon, maximize your browser window or look for the app launcher area, as icons can hide on smaller screens. Make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups for Outlook, since Teams may open in a new tab. If you use multiple accounts, confirm you're in the same account across Outlook and Teams to avoid mixing calendars. And if you notice a brief delay, give it a moment. Events usually sync very quickly. That's all it takes. You've connected Outlook to Teams with a single click, and from now on your meetings stay in lockstep, keeping your schedule accurate and up to date on both platforms.